Hello everyone, it's Mr. H again. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to create a health bar for your main character. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add lives to your Scratch game. So here's an example. I have the cat. The cat starts with 3 lives. I know many times cats have 9 lives, but this cat has 3 lives. Each time the cat touches the edge of the screen, they lose a life. And finally, the game stops once lives are at 0. So let's get started on this tutorial. I'm going to start a new project here. And once again, we will just stick with the cat as our main character. So the first thing we want to do here is actually look at the variables blocks here, and we are going to make a variable. And we're going to call the variable lives. And we can just check for all sprites. Now, when the game starts, what we're going to do here is use the when green flag is clicked. And under variables, when the game starts, we're going to set the lives to 3. You don't have to choose 3, but I'm going to choose 3 for my game here. And then forever, we're going to control the cat with the mouse pointer. So the forever block here, and under motion, we're going to choose go to mouse pointer. It's also helpful here to place a go to X and Y 0. That will start the cat in the middle of the game, middle of the screen here. If I press the green button, you'll see the cat will start here. Well, it may be helpful too to add a wait 1 second block here. So let's place a wait 1 second. And what that's going to do is have the cat start in the center of the screen. Okay, next up, we have to make the cat lose lives once they touch the edge. And to do that, we're going to go to when green flag is clicked, drag out a forever block, and we're going to use the wait until, and that can be found under control, the wait until touching the edge, and the touching edge block is found under sensing. You'll need to change this to edge. So wait until touching edge. And when we're touching the edge, we need to change the lives by -1. That will subtract 1 life. But notice this here, if we press the green flag and the cat touches the edge, notice how rapidly the lives continue to decrease. What we want to do here to solve that problem is go to control and place another wait 1 second. So what that'll do is pause for 1 second each time the cat loses a life. And finally, what I want to do here is figure out a way to make the game stop when the cat has no lives left. And to do that, we'll add another when green flag is clicked. And under control, we can wait until. And we're going to use an operators block here. And we're going to use the equals sign. And what this will say is under variables, what you'll want to do is drag out the lives variable. We're going to place that here, and we'll change this to 0. So when the lives equals 0, under control, we are going to stop all. So let's give this a whirl here. All right, looks like we're running into one problem here, which is we need to move this set lives to 3 first here. Let's try this again. There we go. Lives set to 3. The cat starts at the edge. It touches the edge, loses a life. Touches the edge again, loses a life. And then finally, the third time, no lives. The game stops. All right, hope you enjoyed that, and good luck in future Scratch projects.